guys, welcome to our DIY repair. Okay, now this product is a microphone. It's a Bluetooth microphone. The chargers was damaged. All totally damaged, so no chance to repair. So I need to give some idea to repair this. I'm using the USB line for the charger net. So let's watch this and relax. Let's do this. It is our microphone board. So just look at, see, I put two wires between the positive line of the supply and the negative line of the supply. So now, okay, let's look at this. The USB line, I just connected the positive line of the battery, the power supply, and also the negative line. This is the USB line of the microphone, because the charger was no chance to put it back because it's totally damaged. Also the connecting to the PCB was totally damaged, so I need to. So now I'm connecting the positive and the negative line of the battery, connected to our DIY USB line. Okay, now we just return the lines, the microphone, the power line, and the speaker line. Make sure that it's correct, because it's the same size. There is already a guidelines there. There's I think there's a speaker line of microphones. Okay, just look at this. This is the chargers. So just look at this board. This is totally board damaged, so I cannot return it. This one, just look at this one. It's totally damaged. So now I'm using this USB line. So just look at this. The 2 pin, I remove it to the PCB. I'm hung up it, and then I connect the negative and positive line of the battery, because we need to use this USB socket to make a charger line. Okay, so now it's already connected. Just return the battery. Okay, so now it's already done, so we need to try it. So this is now our charger. It's the USB. It's the same line. I'm just cut some two wires and then connected each other. We use only the two lines, the power lines, the red wires and the black wires. It's the same, even you change it, it's no problem, because it's the same line. So after I will teach you the wire connection also. Okay, just try it. Already plugged in. Okay, so before the battery is already totally low battery, but now it's already on. So it's already on, so the battery also now starting charging. The good thing of this, because before, if the microphone, the Bluetooth is charging totally off, you cannot use it. Now even you use it for the sound, for music, you can use it even it's still charging, because it's already direct to the battery. So even it's charging, it's still on. So it's successful. This is my first time I do this project, so this is only my experiment, because it's I cannot do anything with the charger because it's totally damaged. The PCB is also damaged, so I cannot return it. And also the charging system of this is very small. It's very hard to return it back. So I need to find another way to make it. So I'm planning to use the USB line. So now it's successfully. So you can, if you experience like this in your Bluetooth speakers, so you can use this idea to repair. So let's look at this. The 2 pin, I remove it to the PCB, and then I connect it with the positive line and the negative line, connect to the battery lines, connect to the board of power supply. It's very easy. Now it's time to fix this. Okay. Just look at this. This is our charging line before. So just totally remove it, and also damage everything, damage the line, damage the pin. So I'm using now the USB line. So this is the USB line. So this is now our charging system. So now it's already, the battery there is already a little bit charged, because we already charged a few minutes ago. It's a very easy way. Just follow the steps. If you experience like this in your Bluetooth microphone, just follow the steps. Just follow the subscribes our YouTube channel, so that you can also updated our videos coming. So now it's already on. So this is the wire. This wire is for iPhone, the wire. So the charger of iPhone is 4 wires, so I use only the 2 wires, the red one and the blue, the red one and the black one. This is only the positive and the negative lines of the power supply, and the other wire is the original charger of the speakers, of the microphones. So it's only 2 wires, so no problem that. Okay, just connect each other. Just make it sure that it's already connected carefully. This is very easy, guys. This is very simple project. It's very helpful if you experience like this. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to more project is coming. I have a planning project is the real free energy. Just subscribe guys, because I'm already planning now I'm already make planning diagram to make free energy. There is too much free energy in the YouTube, but there is fake, there's also real, so I make a real free energy. So please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so you can change it, no problem, because it's the same line. So now I'm using the USB line, as you can see, USB. So now this is our charging system for the Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth microphone. This is a totally damaged charger before. Let's look and see. I show it again. This is very small pin, so I cannot change, I cannot return it back, so I need to some ideas to fix it. So now it's done. See, just look, it's already on, so we can use now this microphone Bluetooth. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. I will give some ideas that can help to everybody. Okay, thank you very much. Good luck and God bless. Bye bye. Thank you. Just see you soon to our next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.